Welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to take a look at communication compliance. Communication compliance, which is found in the Microsoft 365 Compliance Center, is used to minimize communication risks. It allows organizations to detect inappropriate messages, capture them, and then take remediation actions for them. It comes with predefined policies that you can use to scan internal and external communications so they can be examined. You can also create your own custom policies as well. To access and use communication compliance, your organization must have one of the subscriptions or add-ons that you see on your screen. To administer communication compliance, you must be assigned the Communication Compliance Administrator's role. The communication compliance workflow consists of a few different steps. These steps are shown on your screen. In the configure step, admins identify the organization's compliance requirements, and then they configure necessary communication compliance policies. The next step is investigate. During this part of the workflow, admins take a closer look into issues that have been detected as a result of policy matches. During the remediate step in the workflow, admins remediate any identified communications compliance issues. For example, an admin might resolve an alert, tag a message, notify the user, or even escalate to another reviewer. The admin might need to mark some alerts as false positives. He might need to remove a message in Teams, or maybe escalate for further investigation. The monitor step is the last part of the workflow. As its name implies, it's during this part of the workflow where you keep track and manage compliance issues that are identified by communication compliance policies. This step actually spans the entire workflow process, so it's really not a last step per se. The tracking and management of compliance issues is facilitated by compliance dashboard widgets, export logs, and events recorded in the unified audit logs. You use these to continually evaluate and improve your compliance posture. You can use communication compliance to investigate scanned emails and messages across several offerings, including Microsoft Teams, Exchange Online, Yammer, and even some third-party communications in an organization. Communication compliance policies are often used to address corporate policies, risk management, and regulatory compliance. The key takeaway here is that communication compliance is a tool that can be used to help you maintain and safeguard not only staff, but data and the entire organization.